Let me get you through a quick introduction to Keycloak. So, what Keycloak is? Keycloak is an open source identity and access management tool. So, what does IAM tool mean? So, IAM comes from Identity and Access Management Tool that is used to ensure that right people have appropriate access to certain resources. A simple example would be a login. When a user enters his login credentials, his identity will be checked against a database. That database already has a set of credentials, and the set of credentials written by the user will be checked against the ones that are stored inside the database. Yeah, this is quite a simple example, but in truth, in the present days, the process is a bit more complicated than that. So an IAM workflow consists today in 4 steps: identity management, authentication, authorization, and single sign-on. So for the identity management, the first step, create, update, revoke, and restore identities, user provisioning to applications or endpoints. The authentication steps takes care of validating user credentials while accessing protected resources. The third step, the authorization one, is allowing or denying access to protected resources for a user. And the final step, the single sign-on or SSO, is using the existing authentication session tokens to access multiple applications within the same domain, multi-domain environment, or federation. Why are we using an open source IAM? So open source identity management solutions are really cost effective and efficient because the code is free, the code is accessible for anybody. So it's an efficient way for organizations to manage user identities, access controls, authentication, and authorization.